I'm Chelsea Davis with your Smart Shopper team, and I want to introduce you to a pretty cool app. It's called Tango Tab. When you go to the website, it's going to look like this. When you eat, they eat. So basically, once you download this app onto your phone, it'll take you through several steps of how you can get everything registered. But basically, when you go to a restaurant, it's kind of like Foursquare. You're going to check in, and then a portion of your meal, the proceeds from that, is going to go towards a different charity or a food bank to help feed someone else. So it's for a great cause. Download it, and I put this info on the website, abc15.com/smartshopper.